How to create a landing page with MailChimp. How to create landing page, very good landing page with MailChimp, and use it for admit ad affiliate program. So this is what I'm gonna showing you in this tutorial. So as you see here, I'm in admit ad and AliExpress. Also, I will put them together in a landing page, a product from AliExpress and the landing page from MailChimp and admit ad store. I will show you how to get that landing page. Click on login and you can log in to the. Now as you see, I'm logged in to my landing page MailChimp. No thanks. And I'm gonna create a landing page on that account. Click create and choose one of the landing page. Choose the second landing page, the second choice. Build landing page. Choose build landing page, and here as you see, no audience. Create an audience, and you can create an audience with an email list. So as you see here, I have created audiences. I have added 816 emails. As you see, I've added them on this account, and now I can create a landing page. I will create an audience dashboard, and you see here 860 audiences or email addresses. I can send them the campaign. Build landing page. Click on build landing page, and now I can build landing page. Waiting a moment. Select a template. I will select one template. I will select the very basic template. The first basic template. White template. We see here a lot of templates. I will create a simple lead generation template. I will choose my product. From here, I will choose my product that I will advertise on my landing page. I will choose a memory card. I will choose my memory card, and I choose the simple landing page. This is the simple landing page. Accept payment. Very good and simple. And as you see here, the editor. That's the editor of the landing page. You have to choose a title for your landing page, and you choose a body, very good body from the products, and image group. You have share, you have payment, you have sign up form, you have buttons. Everything you need to create a landing page is here. I will explain it very well. That's a tutorial. I interrupt the video because I have low internet connection, and I return back. Save and close, because if I don't interrupt the video, it will be longer, more than 60 minutes or 20 minutes. And now we'll go to the product. This is the product page. I will copy the title, and from I will choose the text and drag and drop it on the page, and here I can edit the text. The text edit in the right. As you see, I pass it on the right, and this is the text, and you can choose the font style, and you can choose everything from the right menu. As you see, I will choose bold and italic. Everything you can modify, the style and the setting. You can modify anything on that setting. I will close that. Wait in a moment. Waiting a moment. So after that I have added the background. As you see, the background memory card, a background image, and now I have added an image on the bottom of on the first side of the page. I can now edit it, and I can edit the title, and I will add also some photos. It's very simple. I can now edit colors, edit everything on the text. Save and close and continue. Drag and drop image group like that, and added some images. If you want to add one image, drag image. If you want to add the group, drag and drop a group of image and click browse and added images from your computer. I have already downloaded some images from the product setting, and now you can add images on the group, image per image, and browse. I will choose upload, and now I have images here, and as you see I'm uploading the image. Added another image, and I can add another image and upload. It's very simple, very simple. And I will add 4 images, at least 4 images, to give the buyer a good landing page, to motivate the buyer to buy a memory card. I'll click browse and upload from the right side, the corner, and we'll choose another image, and now you see 4 images in the group, 4 images, and image in the up of the page. Everything is okay now. Now what I have to do is to add the button to buy. It's a very good stylish landing page for a good product, memory card. And now I go to admit ad. As you see, I will add the button, drag and drop the button, drag and drop it on the page, on the landing page, drag and drop it in the blank page, in the blank, like that. Drop block here, as you see. This is buy button. This buy button I can add some stylish. I can let it bigger from style. I can change by now, by purchase now. I can add a web address as you see, link to web address, and add the web address like that. Copy and go to admit ad, click on join it, and to get an affiliate link, because the link directly is not an affiliate link. You cannot earn money from that link. Admit ad is one of the best website to earn commissions from AliExpress, Bango, Check Me, or any other website like that. Paste, generate a link, and copy the link, and you can go to another page on the admit ad. Click on tools and click on short link, and you can shorten that link. That's affiliate link. This is not a link like that. This is an affiliate link. You can choose it like that. Like that. This is the short link page. Click on pass and get a short link. I will get it now. Ali.sky. This is the affiliate link. Copy and paste it here, as you see here in the right, like that. Advanced options, you can add some SEO options, title, attribute, CSS class. So I will click save and close. The button is ready, and now you can add some sizes, stylish the page, do what you like on your page, and save and close. In the right corner in the bottom of the page, save and close, and now it's saving. I will get my link, my landing page link, and after that I will advertise it on Facebook, on Twitter, on or any other social network to get leads and to get purchases like that. This is the link. We will test it now. I have the edit URL option, but I will test it. I will click on edit URL, untitled page. I will rename that untitled page like that, like that. Save. It will not be saved because you have to choose a short title, with the hyphens, it will not save. I have to re-edit the title like that. Micro hyphen card hyphen 128, as you see. Copy the link and paste it on the page. You can't find that page. I will wait a moment and I will return back because the edit doesn't take effect. I will wait a moment. I click publish in the right corner up of the page. And now the landing page is ready. It's a home run. Your landing page is now live on the web. You can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, or any other social network. This is the link. I will copy that link and I will go to a new window, and as you see, the landing page is ready to advertise. This is the landing page. I have a low internet speed connection, that's why you see it very slowly, and the background doesn't load it yet. As you see, the connection is so low. This is the landing page, how to create a landing page with MailChimp. You can start a landing page today and get very good cheap sales, everything you need. This is the AliExpress product. When I click the buy now, this is an affiliate link. So this is a good strategy to get purchases. You can work on Admit Ad, AliExpress and MailChimp. This is a triple strategy. That's all for today.